Updating your billing address on Errorception is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log in. Access your Errorception account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on the Billing Information section to view your current address details. Step 4. Update your address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, look for the Save or Update button and click it to ensure your new information is recorded. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on Errorception.